All right, today we're going to be discussing the T4 operating settings on this thermostat. So right now we're set for 68 degrees and our indoor temperature is 70 degrees. It's a little cool in here for us, so we're going to want to kick that temperature up to 72. You'll use your plus and minus arrows to find the temperature you want. The smaller number that's blinking is your set point. The larger number that's solid is your room temperature. So we've got it set to 72. And then it's automatically going to go in. Right now, you see the temporary hold feature. That is telling us that we have scheduling enabled in this thermostat. If we do want to maintain this 72 degree temperature until we want to change it again, we can hit that button. Whenever we change our thermostat, it gives you this hold option. Hit that hold button. It's going to maintain 72 degrees until we hit this hold button again and take back over the schedule. Well, now it's gotten a little too warm in here. Let's switch it over to air conditioning. We're going to hit that mode button again, select cooling. We're going to knock it down to 70 degrees. We're going to leave it in the temporary hold position at this time. And right now, it is going to maintain 70 degrees inside of our home until our next scheduled event. The last setting feature on this thermostat is the fan mode. On this fan mode, we have two options. Fan auto. The fan will only run when there's a call for heating or cooling. The other option, fan on. The fan that puts air through our vents is going to run 24/7, 365, with or without a call for air conditioning until we change that fan setting. So on this particular thermostat, it does come with scheduling. So to find your scheduling, you're going to hit this middle button which signifies menu, program, or PROG, select. Of course, we want that programming on. If you choose not to have a schedule, you can always toggle it off. But for this, we're going to have on, select again. Right now, this is a 5-1-1 or a 5-2 thermostat, which means you can schedule the week and Saturday and Sunday separately or together. So for right now, Monday through Friday, we'll hit select again. It's going to give you 4 different options: awake, away, home, and sleep. For our wake temperature, we're going to want to wake up with our home at about 70 degrees. We're going to have the fan in on position, and it's going to be at a 6 a.m. time of when we wake up. For cooling, we're going to want to wake up at about 73 degrees. So we'll select that temperature. And then you follow the same format all the way through. So our away mode, we want our heating set back to 62 degrees. We want the fan on. We want our time frame, let's adjust that down to 10 a.m. 62 degrees is our set point for heat, 85 for air conditioning. So that's definitely going to save us on the utilities. When we get home, we're going to want the system on. We get home at roughly 5 o'clock. We want our heating at 68 degrees, and we want our air conditioning at 72. And then when we go to sleep, select the sleep, system on. We go to sleep in this house roughly around 9:30. We want our heat mode a little warmer at 67 and a little cooler at 71. We have set up the weekday schedules. You can follow the same access for Saturday and Sunday. When you're done, hit home. It's going to save your scheduling. And that is how to set up the schedule on the Honeywell T4 thermostat. If you have any other questions on the setup of the scheduling for the Honeywell T4 thermostat, give us a call, 615-893-6972.